This is a video of my 1935 Erika Model S. I got it this past January off of eBay. Works very well. When I got it, the platen was hard and the feed rollers were flattened and cracked, so I had J.J. Short redo all of them. Pretty simple machine. You've got your paper roller release there, your carriage release here. Line space lever there. You've got an interesting design here with to change the line space. You just turn this and there's a little cam inside that changes the position of where the line space lever catches on the ratchet. That's your ratchet release there. Pretty interesting design overall. It's a quartzy keyboard, but it has a lot of I believe French accent keys, and the shift keys as well as the shift lock key and the backspacer are all in French. So I don't know if it's possible that this machine might have been made for the French market. Not sure. But even there's a decal in the case that's in French. Kind of interesting. Works pretty well. You've got this, as I've heard it called, parallel motion or cantilever design motion to keep the keys level through their travel. It's interesting because I have a 1936 Corona Standard that has a very similar design, but all these levers are on the inside of the machine. But they're very similar machines in touch. The Corona I think I like a little bit better. It's a little bit quicker. This machine's a little bit slower, but it's not bad. It's pretty smooth. Another interesting thing is on the keys, in addition to having a lever pull the key, when you depress one of the keys, you have a spring there, maybe to aid in the return of the keys. I'm not sure. Pretty cool machine overall. We'll do a typing test. There you go. It types very cleanly. You see there where the Z and the Y are switched, you get a little confused on occasion. But otherwise, not a bad machine at all. That's the 1935 Erika Model S.